What's up everybody, it's me Sergio, I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a ton of money by fixing a mobility scooter. This is one of the most common issues we see here at the shop. We got a Victory scooter dropped off here and it's not powering on, and I know what's wrong. The customer doesn't really know what's wrong, and it's sad to say that they brought it in here when they really didn't have to. If they would have read their user manual, they could have solved the problem on their own. We're not going to charge them for this. I'm going to actually refund them for their service fee. But I want the world to know that there are some really easy solutions to common problems that you're going to find with your mobility scooter and your power wheelchair too, if you just read your user manual. So the problem is here that it's not powering on. Turning on the ignition, nothing's working. And at first glance, I'm like, oh man, what's wrong with this thing? Because this thing looks beat up. Look, the light's dangling here from the front. There's no cover for the battery compartment. And oh, what's this? Oh, a free catalog. By the way, we have a full color printed catalog with all of our latest products. A bunch of awesome information, coupon codes in here. Make sure you claim a copy by going to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Clicking on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you see on the screen now and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Or you can just call our non-commissioned sales experts with the number below, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you. So a couple things I noticed here that kind of got me worried. Number one, look at those tires. Okay, we're going to come in close to the camera. There is absolutely no treading left, and that's bad. That's going to cause performance issues, big time. You're going to have no traction, and it's just going to be working harder all the time, stressing out the motor. You also have what seems like some yellow electrical tape on the brake release lever, which, by the way, it is in neutral mode right now. So the braking system's not on. So even if I were to get this thing to turn on, it's not going to work until you put it into drive mode, which means the braking system is engaged. If the braking system's not engaged, for safety purposes, the scooter's not going to work. So I just turned it on because at some point, if I can figure out what in the heck's wrong with this thing, it's going to turn on and it's not going to work if the braking system's not engaged. So here's the big secret, okay? This is the DIY expert technician tip. Want to see it? Come close. Come over here, look. You see this little thing right here? This thingy thing that looks like a little baby milk bottle's binky? All you got to do is push that button in. That's actually a breaker, and the breaker was tripped, so there's no power. A breaker basically cuts power from the battery to the scooter in the event of a surge. Like when your home gets struck by lightning, if you go to your breaker panel box and you hit the switch, like over here, check this out. The same thing. Look, come over here. If you get hit by lightning, these things trip, right? They go to the off position and you have to turn it back on. It's the same thing. Breakers, they're everywhere where electricity is found for safety. So you don't fry your household electronics, your TVs, your computers. On your scooter, you also have breakers just in case, like if you're going up a big hill or if you get stuck on a root of a big tree and you keep hitting the throttle, trying to go, and it's just not going. The wheels are spinning and you've got too much amp draw, it's going to cut off by popping the breaker, or one of the fuses will pop and you'll have to replace a fuse. You can check your fuses easily to see if they're all working or if they need to be replaced by just visually inspecting them. A bad fuse is easy to identify, and I'll throw on the screen what a bad fuse looks like compared to a good one. Basically, there's a little wire going through the fuse, and if you see that wire is broken, then the fuse needs to be replaced. Just replace it with the similar amp rating fuse and you'll pop it back in and be good to go. So let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, and as you can see, it is going and we're good to go. So I'm gonna put the battery cover back on and we can call this job complete.